Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am doing a perm rod set on my blown out hair. So because I feel like I've got a lot to say and show, let me just get right into it. Alright, so I probably look pretty crazy right now, but I went ahead and did pretty much one side of my head off camera because the one side that I've done so far has already taken an hour and 21 minutes. So who's gonna watch me do the entire thing? As I said before, this is on blown out hair, so really I'm only using one styling product, which is the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Mousse. This smells like pink lemonade. It smells amazing. I'll tell you how I feel about this product tomorrow when I unravel the curls. I'm using a fine tooth comb and I am using these perm rods, which I will have everything linked in the description where you can find it. I'm sure most of you probably already own this stuff. So let me just show you, like in real time, this section that I have left right here. Actually, before I show that, I have my hair sectioned off into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So that's what I started out with on each side. 5 sections here, 5 sections there. Then I broke each section up into 2 sections. And then, like I can show you right here. So this right here was 2 sections, and then the 2 sections I broke up into 3 sections. I hope that made sense. So technically, all of these that you see here were broken up into 6 sections. And I'm pretty sure I've used 4... Once I finish this part right here, I would have used 27 perm rods on this side of my head. So I'm just going to comb through that. I'm just going to take 2 pumps of the mousse and run that through my hair there. Alright, and then once I split my sections up, take another pump of the mousse and run that through my hair again. And here's the thing with the top section of my hair, I'm going to curl it this way instead of this way, if that makes sense, so that I'll have more volume on the top of my head. I'm going to take the perm rod set and put my hair on the end where this dangles off. Dangles? Yeah, y'all know what I mean. And then start tucking my ends under my hair. So I'm not even sure if this is in frame, but basically, twirl that a little bit. Basically, you want your ends, you gonna focus? I don't know if this is focused. You want your ends tucked in before you start twisting the rest of your hair. Hopefully this focused. Oh, I think it just focused. All right. And then I'm going to just, twist up while still keeping that tension in my hair. Twist up, twist up. And another curl got in the way. Ow. And then just take this end and clamp her on. Same thing. Section this off. Another pump of mousse. Tuck in your ends and twist. Pretty sure this one's all the way out of frame, but I'm literally doing the same exact thing. Okay, so that is one side of my head done. And now I'm gonna go ahead and work on this side, and I'm gonna speed through this side of my head. But just remember everything except this section right here, I'm going to twist up this way, and this gets twisted up vertically. So angular, vertically. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Oh no, I'm tired. Oh, my back. Oy, this is why I don't do hair videos. Alrighty then, so I'll be right back. I just realized my finger is bleeding. I'm not sure how that's possible, but I need to go take care of that, so I'll be right back. Alrighty then, we're back. I'm going to assume it was one of the perm rods popping me in the finger because I've literally only been sitting here for the last hour and a half doing my hair. So I'm just going to attempt to avoid using that finger and move forward. Alrighty then, so I have completed my entire head. I want to say I used 54 rods in my head. I'm a little worried about this side because I feel like the loss of... Just gonna interrupt my video like that? Okay. I feel like the loss of this thumb kind of hindered my twisting abilities there, so I guess, you know, we'll find out when I do unravel these. I'm going to go ahead and sleep in these overnight. It's not close to nighttime, it's still afternoon, so when it is nighttime, I'm just going to throw my bonnet on top of these, and I will be back tomorrow so we can finish this off, and hopefully, you know, fingers crossed that this actually works out. Alrighty then, so I am back. If you were wondering how my night went sleeping with these, it's only 6 a.m. Yeah, so it was not a pleasant night sleeping in these, so we're just going to go ahead and wrap it up, take them out. Now I'm going to start at the back and just start slowly unraveling these. Alrighty then, so this is it for the hairstyle. I can't even joke, it's just too early in the morning. Clearly this is not it for this look. This is just what it looks like when I take all of them out. I feel like I was right about this side, that it would be looser than this side because, you know, I had the missing thumb, but now I'm just going to go ahead and slowly separate all the curls in my hair. Alrighty then, so I went ahead and gave myself a little side parts, I guess. I'm annoyed because not only could I not find my own pick, but there are 2 men who live in this house and I couldn't find a pick of theirs either. So I'm just going to use this wide tooth comb and start teasing at my hair and keeping it mostly in my roots area. Well, alrighty then, the bigger the hair, the closer to God. This is pretty much it for this video. I would have suggested, you know, some oil before separating just to, you know, prevent some frizz, but it's alright. 1, it's not that big of an issue for me if there's frizz, and 2, I'm tired, okay? So, really the only other thing that I've talked about is the styler that I used. I know it's been a day. When I said it was technically it's only been a few minutes in this video for you guys, for me saying it, but you know, I'll just say it again. I did use the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Mousse. I feel like it smelled absolutely amazing. It certainly did, I feel, give like defined curls. However, the only issue that I have with it is, and it's a really, you know, odd issue, but I feel like there are other people out there who might have the same feelings. If you're someone who doesn't like how things feel, then you might want to think about this. You know, I know there's some people, they don't like when something's wet, or they don't like when something is, you know, this or that. And for this is really sticky. I mean, it's pink lemonade, so I feel like that was probably kind of given. But when you're putting it through your hair, trying to, you know, do the twist, it's really sticky. Like, it'll make your hair really sticky. The perm rods will be really sticky, and you know, I'm just throwing that out there, that to keep that in mind, because I know that could be like a deal breaker for some people. Like, that's just how much they're not here for that idea. But other than that, let me know what other styling products you guys use in the description down below, because like I said, I haven't done one of these since I was 20, so it's been a minute. And I didn't know where I could find the one that I was using before. So if you know something that works better, let me know in the comments down below. If you use this, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you all in the next one. I'm tired. I would say I'm gonna go to sleep, but I really know that I'm gonna go take a picture, maybe for Instagram, then go to sleep, then wake up and film another video. The life of a YouTuber. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I didn't just want to close. Come on. One of them snapped in my face before. That was cool. I feel so silent in my room. I was listening to music while I did the other half of my head. I look like Cruella de Vil's evil black step. No, she's already evil. I never part my hair this way. But I'm not mad at it. I'm actually not mad at it.